The 2015 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power steering, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, fog lights, power brakes, clock, child safety locks, cargo area light. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.